Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about neutral safety switch, its importance, what it can do in a car, and what you expect when it has issue in your car. What you are seeing on the screen now is the neutral safety switch of a Lexus RS 350. So I'll also show you the diagrams of how it works in a car. Well, first of all, when you start failing, there are a number of issues that you expect in your car. Sometimes when your car is in P, you try to start it and it's not responding, because the neutral safety switch is engineered that it only engage the starter at park and neutral. As its name implies, it's just for safety purpose, so that the car cannot start in drive, nor start on reverse. So when it has issue, a number of things can occur. One, the car might not start in park. Two, it might not start in neutral. Three, the car might be starting either in drive or reverse, which is not supposed to be. So any of this issue, the bottom line that is either the wire highness of the neutral safety switch is no good, or the neutral safety switch itself need to be replaced. So the case study for this wire harness, I will be using a Toyota Camry 2012 model. This is the wiring diagram. As you can see down here, from the neutral safety switch diagram and harnesses here, you can see N and P. Then here you can see the starter relay. So what it really does here is that the neutral safety switch is built in such a way that the current, ignition current that goes to the relay comes from either the neutral or the park. So each time this thing fails, it will either cut off current from the neutral or from the park. So you can see the flow line from here. But at times, if you have issue with this neutral safety switch and your car fails to start, and you have a little knowledge about car, some people bypass it. And to bypass it, you can see the ignition line here. From the ignition line, what you need to do now is this line that is start button 2. Some people dually run the connection direct to the relay by cutting the neutral safety switch, which is a very risky one. But the best thing for you to do is, once it has issue, you should change it, replace it, because you don't play with your life. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.